In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare plans in Base44. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly see which subscription option works best for you or your team. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go inside Base44 to view plan details, compare what's included, and move forward with the option that fits your needs. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There you'll see a menu labeled Workspace. This is your main hub for managing your account and settings. Go ahead and click on Workspace to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, look for the option that says Account Settings and click it. This will take you to the area where you manage things like your profile, organization details, and of course your subscription. If you ever get lost in the interface, remember that Account Settings is always accessible from that Workspace menu in the top right. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Plan and Billing. This is where Base44 keeps everything related to your current plan, your billing history, and any options for upgrading or changing your subscription. Click on Plan and Billing to open that page. It may take a second to load, especially if it needs to pull in your billing details, so just give it a moment if needed. On the Plan and Billing page, look for the option that says Compare Plans. This is the key feature we're focusing on today. Click Compare Plans to open the comparison view. Here, Base44 will usually show you a side-by-side breakdown of the different plans they offer, such as basic, professional, or enterprise tiers, depending on what's available at the time. Take a moment to review the comparison. Look at things like included features, usage limits, user seats, and any additional tools or integrations that matter to your workflow. Once you've looked through the options and decided which one fits your needs and budget, click on the plan you want to choose. After you select a plan, just follow the on-screen prompts. These will guide you through confirming your choice, entering or updating payment information if needed, and finalizing any changes to your subscription. Read each screen carefully so you understand billing frequency, start dates, and any proration if you're switching from another